welcome back. So today I'm going to unwrap this. This is the car window tinting tool kit. It has 7 pieces automatic film wrapping tool kit scraper. So I got this out of eBay for $8.88 and come with the free shipping. But with the tax and everything, it's come out to be $9.66, which is pretty reasonable. So anyway, let's go and then open this up and then show you guys the product. I got the 5 out of 5 star on this kit, so hopefully it's a good one. So it is made in China. Nice. How does it look? Wow, nice. So this one would squeeze out all the bubble and have a soft rubber. And the white part is a soft rubber as well. But right here is a plastic. I guess this is pointy to squeeze out the bubble. If you have a tiny bubble. And you got this knife. There's so many of the razor blade. And it says 3M. It's another squeezy. The blue, this one is the 3M blue squeezy, 4-inch. And this one's the Pro Squeezy Blue Max with the handle. It's a nice rubberized black grip on here. We got this little sizzler. So this one will probably do the corner too. We'll see, because I purchased a film for the Honda Civic. Because last time I shopped around, they want $350 for the tinted windows. Are we crazy or what? I know there's a guy in Orange County used to do it for like 120 or 140 all windows on the side. But somehow I guess he went out of business, so hopefully I could do it myself. Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up, like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on that bell for notification, or drop any other comments on below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Like always, peace.